I made hundreds of thumbnails with high performing CTRs. If you want to learn how to make these thumbnails, stick around. I'm making thumbnails every day and showing you along the way how to do it. Are you down? Would it hurt you to subscribe? Do it. Today I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a random YouTube title for me to make a thumbnail for. Can you give me a super random video title for YouTube? And this is what ChatGPT came up with for this video.
Why does every pigeon in my city hate me? Well, I can make a thumbnail about that. Okay, so first for this thumbnail, I want a picture of a city, obviously, because we are making a thumbnail about why does every pigeon in the city hate me. And I want it to be in a street by day. So let's see what we can find. Maybe this one. No, I want it to be in a street. No, not a busy street, but a street with a lot of buildings. So I'm going to change this to street. Yes, this is a great background for my thumbnail. And I want to add in a bench to put my pigeons on. Bench. And I want the bench to be like this. I'll remove the background. Okay, that's not a real success, but I'll go with it. Like this. There's a bench right here, I think. Oh, what did I do? No, I don't want that. So I'll crop it a little bit to remove those ugly parts. And then I want a picture of me. So I have selected this picture of me. It's awesome, of course, because it's me. And I always increase the sharpness of my picture a little bit. And I always add a filter. And for some reason on my pictures, the Capri filter always works fine. Add a little shadow. A little shadow. And make myself a little bit bigger and flip myself horizontally. So I will be pointing at the pigeon on this bench. And I need myself to be a lot bigger, actually, like this. Let's see. Okay. And then we're going to add a picture of a pigeon. Maybe this one. Nah. I want to use a picture, actually. Let's see what it looks like with the background removed. Let me see if I can adjust this pigeon a little bit so it fits in with my picture. Make it a little bit sharper. And add a shadow, of course. I always add shadows. Make it bigger. And we can use, if we want something to say or someone to say something, we can always use text boxes for this graphics. No, this is too big. This one. Move myself out of the way a little bit. Like this. Hate you. Okay, you. And let's make you a little bit bigger. Center it. And I'll center this as well. I hate you. I think this is a real fun thumbnail you can use if you want to make a video about why all the pigeons in the city hate you. So thanks for watching. If you want me to make your thumbnail, leave a detailed description in the comment section of this video and I'll make your thumbnail for you, which you will be able to download after I made it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.